Have been mixed after the FDA released a new drug that could slow early stages of Alzheimer's disease. Some say risk factors and costs are concerning at this point. Others say this is a sign of hope. Erica Cost has reaction from those directly affected by the disease.
Dr. Anton Thorstensen says this newly approved drug is exciting, but he remains cautious.
But then, reality sets in, and that is basically the next step is, how do we do this correctly?
Meaning, how do they select the right patients, make sure they're monitored properly? He says up to 40% of those who participated in trials got unusual side effects.
A less common side effect that are called microbleeds or microhemorrhages. So these side effects are common, they're manageable, but they require tight monitoring.
He says the drug has a $56,000 price tag as well. It's concerning for some, but for people like Joan Bakos, who's been living with Alzheimer's, it's a sign of hope. In fact, she's even been in clinical trials for 7 months, working directly with Dr. Thorstensen and the University of Rochester.
I feel good that I'm having this and that I'm not getting worse.
Sherry Furlett is another local excited for her husband who suffers daily. She says it could change everything.
Do you know how much that would mean to be able to have meaningful conversations and not have him lost? And the hardest thing is he gets frustrated.
Bakos and her husband have already weighed the pros and cons and know exactly what they want. As long as insurance can help, they're on board.
We certainly devote our savings to continuing the treatment. We've got nothing else to do. We except care for one another.
And their 2 girls.
It's not something to be scared of because it's life. It's what you live with.
Reporting, Erica Cost, News 8.
Erica, thank you. Doctors say the next steps for the drug will be figuring out insurance, then potentially a third confirmatory trial. The Home Depot Foundation has partnered